We are pleased to show you the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.